Which is the biggest planet in the solar system? Option A, Jupiter, is the correct answer. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Option B, Venus, is the correct answer. What is the name of Saturn's biggest moon? Option D, Titan, is the correct answer. Who was the first woman to go into space? Option A, Valentina Tereshkova, is the correct answer. Which country started the world's first newspaper? Option D, China, is the correct answer. Who invented the steam engine? Option D, James Watt, is the correct answer. Where is Mount Everest situated? Option C, Nepal, is the correct answer. What is the boiling point of water? Option A, 100 degrees Celsius, is the correct answer. Who is known as the father of mathematics? Option D, Archimedes, is the correct answer. Which country's national anthem has only music and no words? Option C, Spain, is the correct answer. Who was the first president of United States? Option A, George Washington, is the correct answer. Which flour is used to make cooking oil? Option D, sunflower, is the correct answer. Which is the largest fish in the world? Option B, whale shark, is the correct answer. The tea garden of India is called? Option A, Assam, is the correct answer. International Women's Day celebrated on? Option D, the 8th of March, is the correct answer. Who was the composer of the Indian national song? Option C, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, is the correct answer.